Clinical data management, often referred to as CDM, is a critical aspect of clinical research. It involves collecting, managing, and analyzing data from clinical trials. The goal is to ensure that data is accurate, reliable, and statistically sound. This rigorous process is essential for generating credible evidence to support the safety and efficacy of new drugs, devices, and therapies. Imagine a vast library filled with information about a new medical treatment. CDM acts as the librarians, meticulously organizing and cataloging every piece of data. This ensures that researchers can easily access and interpret the information, ultimately leading to better healthcare outcomes. Without robust CDM practices, clinical trials would be susceptible to errors, inconsistencies, and biases. This could compromise the integrity of the research and delay the availability of potentially life-saving treatments. In essence, CDM forms the backbone of clinical research, ensuring that the data collected is trustworthy and can be used to make informed decisions about the future of healthcare. The journey of CDM begins with a well-defined study protocol. This document outlines every aspect of the clinical trial, from the research question to the data collection methods. A comprehensive study protocol is crucial for maintaining consistency and minimizing errors throughout the CDM process. Think of the study protocol as a roadmap for the entire clinical trial. It provides clear directions to everyone involved, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This is essential for collecting high-quality data that can be reliably analyzed and interpreted. The study protocol outlines the objectives of the trial, the patient population, the treatment regimens, and the data points to be collected. It also defines the roles and responsibilities of the research team and establishes procedures for data management, quality control, and ethical considerations. A well-structured study protocol is the foundation upon which the entire CDM process is built. It provides a clear framework for data collection, management, and analysis, ensuring that the clinical trial is conducted with scientific rigor and integrity. Case report forms, or CRFs, serve as the primary tools for collecting patient data in clinical trials. These forms are essential for ensuring that the data collected is both accurate and comprehensive, providing a solid foundation for the trial's outcomes. These are standardized documents designed to capture specific data points in a consistent and organized manner. By using standardized forms, researchers can ensure that the data collected from different sites and patients is comparable and reliable. Effective CRF design is crucial for ensuring the accuracy, completeness, and ease of data collection. A well-thought-out CRF can significantly reduce the time and effort required to gather and analyze data, making the entire process more efficient. Imagine a CRF as a detailed questionnaire specifically tailored to the clinical trial. Each question is carefully crafted to gather the necessary information without overwhelming the respondent. Each question on the CRF corresponds to a data point outlined in the study protocol. This alignment ensures that all relevant information is captured systematically, adhering to the trial's objectives. This structured format ensures that all necessary information is collected from every patient in a standardized way. It helps in maintaining uniformity across different trial sites and among various researchers. CRF design involves careful consideration of the data to be collected, the target audience, clinical site staff, and the data management system used. The design process must take into account the practicalities of data collection and the capabilities of the staff who will be using the forms. A well-designed CRF should be clear, concise, and easy to understand and complete. It should guide the user through the data collection process, minimizing confusion and errors. It should minimize the potential for errors and facilitate efficient data entry and analysis. By reducing the likelihood of mistakes, a well-designed CRF helps ensure the integrity of the data collected. The design of CRFs has a direct impact on the quality of data collected. High-quality CRFs lead to high-quality data, which is crucial for the success of the clinical trial. A well-designed CRF will streamline data entry, reduce errors, and ensure that the collected data accurately reflects the patient's experiences in the clinical trial. This, in turn, enhances the reliability of the trial's findings and supports the development of effective treatments. Section 4. Building the repository database design and validation. In this section, we will delve into the critical steps involved in creating a robust and reliable database for clinical trials. Once the CRFs, or case report forms, are meticulously designed, the next step is to create a secure and organized repository for the collected data, the clinical trial database. This step is pivotal as it lays the foundation for all subsequent data management activities. This database is specifically designed to store, manage and analyze clinical trial data in a structured and efficient way. It serves as the backbone of the data management process, ensuring that all information is systematically organized and easily accessible. Think of the database as a sophisticated filing cabinet, but instead of paper files, it houses electronic data. This digital transformation not only enhances data security, but also streamlines the retrieval process, making it faster and more efficient. This database is built using specialized software that allows for secure data entry, storage, and retrieval. The software is designed to handle large volumes of data while maintaining high levels of security and integrity. Database design involves defining the structure of the database, including the tables, fields, and relationships between different data points. This structure is crucial as it determines how data is stored, accessed, and managed. This structure should align with the CRFs and the study protocol to ensure that all data is captured and stored appropriately. Proper alignment ensures that the data collected is relevant and can be easily analyzed in the context of the study. After the database is designed, it undergoes rigorous validation to ensure its accuracy, reliability, and compliance with regulatory standards. Validation is a critical step that involves multiple rounds of testing and quality checks. This involves testing the database with sample data to identify and correct any errors or inconsistencies before the actual trial data is entered. By doing so, we can ensure that the database functions correctly and can handle real-world data without issues. A robust and validated database is crucial for maintaining data integrity and facilitating efficient data analysis. It provides a reliable platform for researchers to draw meaningful insights from the collected data. It ensures that the data collected from the clinical trial is stored securely, managed effectively, and readily available for analysis and reporting. This not only aids in the smooth execution of the trial, but also ensures that the findings are accurate and trustworthy. In summary, the design and validation of a clinical trial database are fundamental steps that underpin the entire data management process. By investing time and effort into creating a well-structured and validated database, we can ensure the success of the clinical trial and the reliability of its outcomes. Ultimately, a well-designed and validated database not only supports the integrity of the clinical trial, but also contributes to the advancement of medical research and the development of new treatments. Section 5. The flow of information data entry and collection. In this section, we will delve into the intricate process of how data is meticulously gathered and entered into the clinical database, ensuring the integrity and accuracy of the information collected. With the database set up, the focus shifts to collecting data from the clinical trial sites and entering it into the database. This involves a systematic approach where every piece of data is carefully documented and transferred. This critical step in the CDM process requires close collaboration between the clinical research team and the data management team. Effective communication and teamwork are essential to ensure that the data collected is accurate and complete. Imagine a relay race where the baton represents the clinical trial data. Just as in a relay race, the handoff must be smooth and precise to maintain the momentum and integrity of the process. The clinical research team collects the data from the patients and passes the baton to the data management team, who then enters the data into the database. This handoff is crucial as it ensures that the data collected is accurately captured and stored. Data collection involves gathering information from various sources, including patient medical records, laboratory reports, and questionnaires. Each source provides a unique piece of the puzzle, contributing to a comprehensive dataset. This data is then reviewed for completeness and accuracy before being entered into the database. The review process is meticulous, ensuring that any discrepancies are identified and resolved promptly. Data entry is typically done electronically using specialized software that includes built-in checks to minimize errors. These systems are designed to flag inconsistencies and prompt the user to correct them, thereby enhancing data quality. Data managers play a crucial role in ensuring that the data is entered accurately and consistently, adhering to the predefined rules and standards. Their expertise and attention to detail are vital in maintaining the integrity of the clinical trial data. Efficient data entry and collection are vital for maintaining data quality and ensuring that the clinical trial progresses smoothly. Any delays or errors in this phase can have significant repercussions on the overall timeline and outcomes of the trial. This phase forms the link between the clinical research conducted at the sites and the subsequent data analysis that will ultimately determine the trial's outcome. The quality of the data collected and entered directly impacts the reliability of the analysis and the conclusions drawn from the trial. As the data is meticulously analyzed, researchers can draw meaningful insights and make informed decisions about the efficacy and safety of the treatment being tested. This underscores the importance of accurate data entry and collection in the overall success of clinical trials. In conclusion, the data entry and collection phase is a cornerstone of clinical data management. It ensures that the information gathered is reliable, paving the way for successful clinical trials and ultimately advancements in medical research and patient care.